Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going over how to do a proper 90 on an A81 hydraulic bender, taking in consideration your spring back and your deduction as well. We're also going to be going over how to do a kick 90 and a back-to-back 90 on it as well. Hello everyone, so today we're going to be going over how to do 90, taking in consideration your spring back, as well as a kick 90 and a back-to-back 90. So I went ahead and set my pipe in already. We're going to go ahead and use our digital protractor, zero it out, bring it up to this side. Now our spring back will be about 2 degrees to 5 degrees. A lot of things come in consideration with your spring back. The flexibility of the pipe, there's different batches of pipe. So whenever the pipe is a little bit more rigid, it'll give you a lot more spring back. Ambient temperature will come in consideration when it comes to spring back. So there's no defined number. Like I said, it's anywhere between 2 to 5 degrees. So in this case, I will be bending to 93 degrees. 93 degrees. So I went ahead and bended the pipe to 93 degrees. Like I said, spring back, it's gonna vary in between. It is now at 89.7. So it's not even 1 degree off, it's 0.3 degrees off. You might wanna take that in consideration for your next pipe, bend it at 93.3. But 89.7, it's pretty near there. Now in order to do our kick 90, we're gonna go ahead and use the door and the door jamb as a square to make sure we get an accurate measurement. So we're gonna be using the door, like I mentioned, as a square. We know that for a 30-degree angle, we multiply times 2, so we're doing a 1 foot kick. So we're gonna go ahead and mark it at the 24-inch mark. This kick, we're also gonna be turning it into a back-to-back 90 later on. Anything underneath 90 degrees will be considered a kick. Once you hit your 90 degrees, it will be considered a back-to-back 90. You wanna make sure you're leveled, and we wanna go ahead and bend to our 30 degrees. Now that we've bent our kick on our 90, we want to come over here and verify that we are correct, checking our level, and we are at 1 foot right here. So we went ahead and gave it 24 inches back, mark it down, use our 30-degree angle bend, which is a multiplier of 2, mark it back at 24 inches for a 1 foot kick. This comes in handy when you need to calculate and you don't want to go over your 360-degree max bend radius that you need to have. Now we're going to turn this kick basically into a back-to-back 90. So we're going to go ahead and position our pipe this way. So I went ahead and did this so we can have our back-to-back 90s U-shape with the kick in the middle, doing it this way. Out in the field, if you don't have the space to do it, I don't recommend doing it this way. This way is just for instruction purpose. We want to make sure that both our 90s are going to be nice and plumped. Once again, using our digital protractor, going to go ahead and zero it out. Put it over here. Last time we bent to 93 degrees. So there you go. You have your 90, kick 90, and this is what a back-to-back 90 is. 2 90s across from each other. So for more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you on the next one.